Introducing artificial grass pins, the perfect way to secure your artificial grass firmly in place. Start by placing a pin on the surface of the artificial grass. Using a hammer, gently tap the pin into the ground. The pins can be inserted in different ways, as shown in the video, where a twisting motion is used to ensure a secure hold. Before driving the pin fully into the ground, adjust the grass underneath to ensure a smooth finish. Lift and arrange the grass as needed to avoid pinching or damaging it. Once the grass is properly adjusted, hammer the pin fully into the ground, securing the artificial grass firmly in place. Repeat these steps with all the different pins and nails to ensure a secure hold. You can also use these pins to secure the artificial grass in place when folding back the seam before applying glue. Place the pins along the edge of the seam to hold the grass in position, making it easier to glue and ensure a perfect alignment. And that's how you use artificial grass pins. Simple, secure, and effective.